think of this as an update of sorts. Because remember last time I tried to do something with the blade. I tried to use the blade from that All My Brace Blade fan, the homeboy, but it wouldn't fit. Then I tried to maybe make the shaft a little thicker with a piece of paper, and that didn't work. Then I tried plastic, that didn't work. So I figured, sooner or later something would come into play. And something did come into play. Yeah, another Lasko 3733 variant. However, if you notice, the box is completely fucking mangled. And we're not talking mangled. I'll show you in a minute. ECW hardcore match, anybody? Look at this. And I didn't even know if it worked. If it does, fine. I can use the motor for something else. But I mainly bought it for the blade. And FYI, I did not pay 17 and change. I paid like 8. Still too much, but it's probably the only way I can get a blade at the moment. Because apparently, we can't have a curbside discounters in the neighborhood because everyone's expected to drop off in the big dumpster over there. So, yeah. Big Captain Christ. Well, let me take the cage off and take the blade off and pray that it's not broken, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, here we go. You. It's like someone took a truck. Now if we can take the blade off. There we are. And if you notice, there's actually a D shape in the thing. Hell, D-shaped smile. So yeah, the other one was worn out. It's also knackered. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna see if the motor works on this, and if so, that's spare motor. Baby. Alright, that's plugged in. I can kind of... Yeah. There we go. And I have it on the switch on the kilowatt, so... Well, hey, the motor works. You can see it, sort of. So, yeah. Got a spare motor. Which is good. Because... maybe I can try and bend it back into shape, but why? The metal's already compromised. So let's get that Power Plus unboxed and the cage off, and we'll go from there. Oh, sorry. Okay, if you're not familiar with what happened with this one, here's what we did. Oh, fail. Okay, there we go. Yeah. And the blade just... Oh, now I don't want to come... There we go. Just came right off because it's worn out. Whee! So what we are going to do right now... Well, first off, turn that off and I fail. We are going to put the blade on this. And then we... Damn, it's only on for like 2 seconds already. It's hot. But hey, like I said, I got another motor. And we'll align the blade with the other blade, and oh yeah, there we go. Looks kind of cool, don't you think? So, here we go. I think I better put the cage on. Yeah, let me put the cage on. I must say, it actually does look pretty cool. And of course now they're doing yard work. Right when I'm filming. Hooray! But yeah, let me turn it on high. And high, we're running 1800 amp and 94 watts. Medium. One watts, 7/10 milliamp. Well, $58 milliamp and 65 watts. Back too high. Could also be the blade so mangled up because it's been in that mangled cage for so long. I'm not feeling much air. We'll spend our time now. Alright. Still chooching along. It hasn't died yet, so we got that going for us, which is nice. I mean, I think the original blade had a little more pitch to it, but for now, this is usable. And on the subject of stuff that's usable, I was able to salvage the motor, the switch, and the handle. Unfortunately, the switch didn't have a knob, but they're a dime a dozen. And before I forget, I'm sure you remember, if you saw the price tag, I bought it at the dirt cheap, so yeah, there you go. Now, and I also was able to save some of the screws, so I got that for cages and holding motors, so how nice. Now, what's unusable, well, we got two plastic grills that we can't use anymore because they're so mangled, so they're in the dumpster. And as for what else what's unusable, we got, I mean, I could probably salvage this blade, but it's really too much effort right now. So that's going to go bye-bye. And as for the box, right here, I'm loading something in my truck, yeah! Kind of pathetic if you ask me, but yeah. I can finally say I'm hauling something. Woohoo. Alright, that's going to do it for this video of the successful blade transplant from that B20540 or whatever. You all know it's the 3733 variant. Have this to this Power Plus Premium. Not number escapes me at the moment. I'll probably put the thing at the bottom. And yeah. Of course, you missed it a second ago. It went toppled, so. But either way, I think it's successful. I mean, it'll do what I need it for. Even if it's just that, just blowing air and making noise. But all in all, I'm successful. I'm happy with it. So, till next time, whatever it is, thanks for watching. I'll watch it over.